Hello, dear students, good morning. Today we will discuss chapter number 10 from Civics Organs of the Government. If we talk about the organs of the government, there are three organs of the government, that is, the legislature, the executives, and the judiciary. The legislature, as per the Constitution of India, consists of a parliament at the center and legislative assemblies at the state level. If we talk about the executives, as per the Constitution of India, consists of the president, the prime minister, and cabinet ministers and their administrative system at the center, and the governor, the chief minister, and his cabinet and administrative system at the state level. If we talk about the judiciary, in the judiciary, the Supreme Court is at the top. In the middle are the high courts of the states, and at the bottom there are subordinate courts, district courts, and special courts. As you know, that India is a union of states, means India is country with many states. No state is completely independent. All the states are abide by the center, or we can say central government. The legislator has the power to formulate laws, but some powers are so given to the executives and judiciary that the legislator cannot misuse its powers. The executives is controlled by giving powers to the legislatures and the judiciary is controlled by giving powers to the legislature and the executive. Now let's discuss about legislature. So India is a republic having a parliamentary democracy. Now what is parliamentary democracy? Means in parliament we have two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The laws are made there, then it will be implemented. So we can say that India is a republic having parliamentary democracy. The representation of the people at the center is seen at the parliament, and of the state is seen in the legislative assembly. In the Indian parliament, we can consist the president, the vice president, Rajya Sabha, and Lok Sabha. If we talk about legislature, so legislature is of two types. First one is unicameral legislature and second one is bicameral legislature. Now what is unicameral legislature? So when the legislature is consisting of one house is called unicameral legislature. Means they have only one house. For example, if we talk about Gujarat, in our Gujarat, Vidhan Sabha is the only legislature. Without accepting Vidhan Sabha, there isn't any other house in our states. So, Gujarat is called unicameral legislature. If we talk about bicameral legislature, when the legislature is consisting of two houses, it is called bicameral legislatures. At the central level, the upper house of the legislature is called Rajya Sabha and the lower house is called the Lok Sabha. At the state level, the legislature consists of the legislative assembly and legislative councils. Our India is in bicameral legislature. Why? Because we have two houses. First one is upper house is called Rajya Sabha and lower house is called Lok Sabha. Most of the states have only legislative assemblies. For example, if Gujarat we have only legislative assembly. In West Bengal there is only one legislative assembly. Madhya Pradesh legislative assembly. But some states have legislative assembly and legislative councils too. For example, states like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Maharashtra have legislative councils. So, till here we discuss today. In our next video, we will discuss more about this chapter, or we will discuss about the organs of the government in detail. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.